Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video it's all about the kingdom Monera. So kingdom Monera belongs to the prokaryotic family. It includes all prokaryotic organisms. Okay, for example, bacteria, mycoplasma, it is the actinomycetes, spirochetes, okay, rickettsia, chlamydia, and cyanobacteria. Kingdom Monera has lack of the some of the organelles, right? So member of this kingdom are known as the monerans, which lack through nucleus and nuclear membrane. So this is the nucleus, and here it is a nuclear membrane, and this is a endoplasmic reticulum. Nucleolus also, okay, lack of nucleolus, chromatin, okay, histone protein, and all membrane bound organelles. So this is a mitochondria. Next is the chloroplast, lysosome, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulums, and Golgi apparatus. Okay. These are the oldest known microorganisms on Earth. The DNA is not enclosed within the nucleus. Okay, so we talk about the genetic material of this kingdom. Okay, Monera. So first, this is nucleoid. So first, what is the nucleoid? Nucleoid meaning nucleus-like. This is similar to the nucleus. Is irregular shaped region within the prokaryotic cells that contains the almost of the genetic material. This is the nucleoid. Okay, so what is the difference between nucleus and nucleolus? Okay, nucleolus. So nucleolus, here it is, you can see in this figure, this is the nucleolus, this is a nucleoid. The nucleus is an organ inside the nucleus. Okay, and the nucleus that has the house of protein RNA is found in eukaryotic cells. The nucleus is irregular shape. Here it is, you can see this is the irregular shape, and that house genetic material of the prokaryotic cells. Right? Now the what is genophore? Okay. So genophore, it consists of nucleic acid, DNA, RNA, but lacks of histone protein. Okay, this is also DNA, RNA, and protein, but lacks of the histone proteins. This is the genophore. It's in the back. You can say the bacterial chromosomes. Now next, it is the what is incipient nucleus. Okay, this is the incipient nucleus. The incipient nucleus sometimes referred to as nucleoid, okay, to the prokaryotic immature nucleus. Okay, this is the immature nucleoid of the prokaryotic cells. Next, it is the what is prochromosomes. Okay, so prochromosome is nucleoid prokaryotic cells which equivalent to single chromosomes being made of double-stranded DNA without association with the histone. It's also prochromosomes. Now next genetic material, that is the plasmid. So what is the plasmid? Here it is in prokaryotic cell. Okay, circular shape, that is the plasmid. Plasmid are small extra chromosome rings of DNA, that is also DNA, and is discovered by Hayes and Liederberg in 1952. So they can replicate independently without the nucleoid. Okay, so you can also see here it is a bacteria DNA and plasmid. There is extra chromosomal of DNA. Now episomes. Okay, so what is the episomes? So episome is associated with the nucleus. Okay, here it is the that is the plasmid associated with the nucleus, that called the episomes. And episome discovered by Francois Jacob and Elie Wallman in 1958. Right? Now, cell organelle of kingdom Monera. Okay, that having the only one organelle, that is a ribosome. You can say the ribosomal RNA are of the 70S type. Okay. So it is ribosomal RNA in prokaryotic 50S, large subunit, 30S small units, and entire, that is the third 70S ribosome. It is 6S RNA, 23S and 5S RNA components. Okay, RNA that present in these parts of the ribosome. In eukaryotics, 60S and 40S and combined the 80S ribosome. It is also 28S, 26S and 5S RNA. Okay, so both compositions are the same. It is 60S, here it is 80S RNA. Okay, now the cell wall. Okay, cell wall of kingdom Monera. So cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, but exception, that is Archaebacteria and Mycoplasma. They have a different cell wall composition, right? So first we know what is cell wall. Cell wall is defined as the non-living components and covering the outer most layer of the cells. Right? So this is the structure of cell wall of bacteria. Okay, in this is the phospholipid bilayer. This is inside of cytoplasm. This is the integral proteins, cytoplasmic membrane, you can also say. Okay, so here it is the peptidoglycan periplasmic space and periplasmic space. Okay, so this is outer side of the. Okay, so it is peptidoglycan are present in this bacterial cell wall. Okay, this is outer membrane of another cell. They are having the lipopolysaccharides, right? Or polysaccharides, core polysaccharide, lipid A. Okay, they pour in. Okay, that means the cell wall of the kingdom Monera, that having peptidoglycan. Okay, the major components of the cell wall, that is a peptidoglycan. Okay, now we talk about the reproduction by binary fission of kingdom Monera. Okay, so reproduction usually asexual by means of binary fission. So what is a binary fission? Okay, in diagram you can understand easily. Okay, so binary fission is a form of asexual reproduction in which organelle divide into two. Okay, so it is the first, that is the parent cell. Okay, replication of DNA, septum, the 100. Okay, and divide into two organisms. So here it is each part, this and this part, carrying the one copy of genetic material from the parent. Okay, so both having the same genetic copy of the genetic copy. Okay, and cell splitting into two and identically daughter cells. Now respiratory enzyme in cell membrane of kingdom Monera. So what is respiratory enzyme? That enzyme, for example, oxidase, dehydrogenase, catalase. Okay, these all are the associated with the process of cellular respiration. So for example, this is the that all respiration enzyme that present in the cell membrane of the kingdom Monera. Okay, usually bacteria, you can say. So this is the membrane of the bacterial cells, and it is present of ubiquinone, okay, cytochrome, it is this is cytochrome BC1 complex, cytochrome oxidase complex, dehydrogenase complex. All are the respiratory enzymes which are present into the cell membrane of the Monera. Now cell division. The cell division of kingdom Monera, it occurs in amitotic type and leg spindle formation. So it is the an unusual form of cell division in which the nucleus and cytoplasm are divided by constriction without the formation of chromosomes. Okay, so here it is the cytoplasm and nucleus constriction first. Okay, you can say kerokinase, and then cytoplasm, there is cytokinase separate the cytoplasm constriction and dividing daughter cells. Okay, cell partition, you can say. So what is the difference between mitotic and amitotic division? Okay, so mitosis is produced by spindle formation. Okay, here it is the produces spindle formation. Okay, this spindle pole, and they produce the spindle okay, fibers which connect with the genetic material and separate out, right? But in amitosis, daughter cells are reproduced in the absence of the spindle formation. Okay, so this is the all about the characteristics of kingdom Monera. Okay, in next lecture we will be discussing about the classification of Monera. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope it will help you. Okay, so share, subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you for watching.